Tired of Webex meetings where you can't see everyone or you lose track of who's actually speaking? I've been there, and it makes it really hard to stay engaged. The good news is you can switch your layout in just a few seconds to get a perfect view every single time. So here's the plan. First, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the layout menu during a live meeting. Then we'll walk through each layout option together, and I'll explain which one works best for different situations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your view. All right, let's start at the very beginning. You're going to sign into your Webex account just like you normally would. Nothing special here. Just get logged in. Now, go ahead and join a meeting or start one. It can be a real meeting with your colleagues, or if you want to practice first, you can start a test meeting by yourself. Both work exactly the same way for this. Once you're inside the meeting, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see a button that simply says Layout. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you click that, the Layout menu opens up right in front of you. And this is where the magic happens. You'll see three main options: Grid, Stack, and Side by Side. Let me walk you through each one. First up is Grid Layout. This is the one you want when you need to see everyone equally. It arranges all the participants into a neat grid of equal-sized boxes. This is perfect for those roundtable discussions or brainstorming sessions where you want to see everybody's reactions. If everyone has their video on, you get a really great sense of the whole room. But here's where it gets really practical. Let's say you have one person presenting a slide or giving a long update. Grid view is not your best friend for that. Instead, switch to the stack layout. This is my go-to for most presentations. Stack view puts the active speaker, the person who is currently talking, as the main large video. Then all the other participants appear in a smaller strip along the bottom or the side. It gives you the best of both worlds. You can see the speaker clearly while still keeping an eye on everyone else for visual cues and reactions. Now, there's a third option that I love for specific situations. It's called Side by Side. This one is fantastic when two people are having a conversation or debate. It takes the active speaker and places them on one side of the screen, and then the other participants are on the second side. It almost feels like they're sitting across from each other. It's a very natural way to watch a back-and-forth discussion. So, once you've decided which one you want, just click it. Your view will switch immediately. No lag, no waiting. It's instant. Now, while we're in the layout menu, I want to point out a couple of extra options that can really clean up your view. Under Layout Options, you can turn Full Screen View on or off. This is useful if you want to hide your browser tabs and just focus on the meeting. Just click it to toggle. And the second option is Automatically Hide Names. Turn this on, and the participant names will disappear. They'll pop back up again briefly when someone starts speaking. It's a great way to reduce clutter on the screen. Every change you make, from switching the main layout to toggling these options, your meeting view updates immediately. There's no need to restart anything. So that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to go from a frustrating static layout to a view that actually works for you. Grid for equal participation, Stack for presentations, and Side by Side for conversations. Use these and you'll find yourself way more engaged and picking up on all those important visual cues you were missing before. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope this helps you get the most out of your next Webex meeting. Go ahead and give it a try. I think you'll be surprised by how much of a difference it makes.